So welcome back, guys. This is Madhav PVL, and so today we are just going to see about the break-even analysis with the help of Excel. So here I'm having an example of getting a quality sweaters with a direct mail model. So this is nothing but people just requesting for a new quality sweater with the help of a mail, and then these are the given values, and now with the help of Excel we were going to calculate these things. These are very essential for any business, because if we don't know about these things, then it's not an easy thing to just know about the break even or about the profit or loss or whatever it is. So we need to just make sure know about these things. So let's get started. So let us just see what we have. So the first one is fixed cost of printing. So this will be a cost for printing of the catalogs, and then variable cost of printing mailing is 0.25. Here we can just see like 0.10 is for the catalog, and 25 is for mailing the each catalog. So yeah, and the number of catalogs that are mailed is this figure. And so basically after mailing these much number of catalogs, we just have a response rate of 8%. That means like if these many are mailed, 8% of this we are getting a reply from them. And then we can just see the inputs, like the 8% of the response rate which we get, we are getting an average order of $40, and then the variable cost per order is 32.20. So it's like like in a catalog there is something called return envelope, like we need to pay in advance for the people to just get back the catalog. This is an oldest method, but I was just making it look easy, like for the explanation purpose. And then so let's get started. So the thing is here, if we can just see, the number of responses is nothing but the number of mailed into this thing, because out of these many number, 8% had responded back. So let's just see that this into this. So 8,000 people, we got the response back by sending these mails, and they were asking for an average order. They were just ordering an average of $40. So if we need to just check for the total revenue, if we need to just check for the total revenue, here we can just see that the average order is 40 and the number of responses are 8,000. If we just consider the average order for everyone, we can just say the number of responses into the average order. So this will be our total revenue. So this is what we get if we just sell these number of responses with an average order of 40. And then let us just know the fixed cost of printing. So the fixed cost of printing is nothing but, here we can just see, so this will be the fixed cost of printing, sorry, this one. So let's just keep it here. And then total variable cost of printing and mailing. So the total variable cost of printing and mailing is nothing but, it's like the variable cost per order into the number of the mail, like so this will be like uh, like the cost which we just send, like for the envelope and the mailing thing. So that's the reason we were just considering this into the number mailed. So this will be like total cost for printing. I just made a mistake over here. The total variable cost of printing and mailing is this into the number of mailed. So we need to just calculate the variable cost of printing and mailing. And here we can just see this into number of mail, and this will be the total cost of printing and mailing. And total variable cost of orders is nothing but like the variable cost is this one, and the total number of orders is this. We got number of responses from this, so we will be calculating this. Oh, I'm sorry. total variable cost is this into the number of responses. So if we just see the total cost here, we can just add this things. So this will be our total cost of working. So, and this is our total revenue, and in this way we just find out the details of any business. And so that's the reason I just want to demonstrate this basic qualities fetters direct mail model. And thank you for watching.